Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my channel, No Lag STEM, a channel devoted to all things science, technology, engineering, math, and magic. Today I am unboxing and reviewing a Rocketbook Planner. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. And now, just like this magic trick, which is a color change trick, where first you see the black card, you still see the black card, still black, and then you just do a little bit of magic, and it is now a red card. Let's get into the Rocketbook. So I decided to buy the Rocketbook executive size day planner. I just want to try this out and see if it'll help me take some notes and just help with YouTube videos and maybe with planning my weeks out. So we're going to unpackage this thing today. I also bought some extra friction pens for it because it says it takes the friction pens. These are pretty nice. You just go ahead and take them out and click them by clicking down the, not the cap, but the pen holder. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Rocketbook Pro portfolio cover. So it covers the executive size day planner. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look and see what this looks like. As you can see, we've got the tape on this, and we're just going to go ahead and rip this open, even though it had a flap inside, and pull out the contents. And this is just an empty cover, nothing else in it. And as you can see, here is the packaging. It also says Rocketbook right here on the tag. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and look at this. I'm going to take this and open it up. See what this looks like on the inside. And it's got a magnetic clasp. It's got a pen holder right here. And as you can see, it comes with a couple pockets. You can store just various items in there. And then the holder for the actual notebook itself. Looks pretty good, feels pretty nice. Alright, we're going to set this to the side, and next we're going to open up the Rocketbook. As you can see, it comes in this nice packaging. It says your friction pen is right here in the inside, you can feel it. And this is the notebook itself. Let's go ahead and open up the package. So we're going to go ahead and start with the smaller opening, and rip open the package and grab the pen. And it seems like it is just a simple friction pen, just an erasable pen. Next we're going to go ahead and open up the top, and we're going to see what it looks like when you get everything out of here. Got a Ziploc cover so you can close it back up if you need to. Looks like a microfiber cloth and the notebook itself, nothing else is inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Seems like a pretty basic microfiber cloth, nothing special. And it just has the Rocketbook label on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And there's the symbol for Rocketbook. Pretty simple. You can kind of see it to the back side as well. It's just a small microfiber cloth. Now that we've opened up the packaging, we got the Rocketbook microfiber cloth, we have the friction pen that came in it, and it also the everyday planner. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what kind of pages it has in it. Oh, it has a manual inside that is clearly stuck to the notebook. It is definitely pasted to the notebook. There we go. It just has some sticky tack. So it just says welcome to the crew. Gives you contact information, additional training, so there's probably some videos out there to take a look at. Tells you what you can do to write. You have to wait 15 seconds after you put any marks on the page. Also, there's the types of pages in here. You got the 3-month overview, the annual, the monthly, the weekly, the lists, the custom tables, and more, which we're going to go through here shortly. And you can download the app, set destinations, and scan and send. And it's also erasable, that's why we have the microfiber cloth. When we're looking at this, we have a nice little goals page here. And the goals page just looks like you can put your vision and motivation, your monthly goals and achievements, career, financial, health, relationships, social, and personal. Here are the pages a little closer up to make that a little bit more readable. As you can see, there's the goals page. There is the 3 months at a time from 1 to 31 days, where you can put individual plans or individual lists or whatever it is you like, maybe birthdays or something like that. And it's got January through March, April through June, July through September, October through December. The next section is the monthly planner. As you can see, it is completely unmarked, so if you want to start as a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can go ahead and do that. You can put your focus for the month, you can put notes for the month, and put in the days however you'd like. There are 3 months that are set up like this, so you can plan 3 months at a time. Then the next section is the weekly planner. So now you can actually plan even more, get into more detail, and plan each day of the week. And your Saturday and Sunday are in a nice large box to the side. There are a few pages like this that have the weekly planners so you can use them. And then after the weekly planners, there is the list section. And up here where you can't really see, I'm going to bring this up closer to the camera and fold this in half. But there's a small section here where you can put the list name, and you can actually put the date here, and it'll automatically put those as file markers. And then you can put notes here. And also on every page, as you can see down here, there are the symbols for what you wanted to do within the app. We're going to continue and see what other kind of pages are in here. So other pages that are in here, these are the lists. So there are 4 list pages. Then these are just dotted lines for whatever you'd like, just like a regular notebook. And there are also lines at the bottoms and the tops that have more lines that you can actually use if you'd like to make a section with a ruler or anything else. There are nice little guided arrows or guided hash marks on there, as you can see. After that, the next sections in here should be just regular dotted grids, which there are without the lines. These are just dots that go across, and you can do whatever you want with this. You can go up, down, left, or right, because it's, again, just grids. Here are the actual dotted grids, as you can see. They're just small dots that show the grids. Now, I'm sure the next thing you want to see is let's write on here. So let's get out our friction pen, and let's go ahead and put in some kind of vision and motivation. Let's just copy the words that say vision and motivation. And it is pretty easy to write in. It seems pretty simple. I mean, if I want to cross over something and make like an infinity symbol, I can go ahead and do that. Pretty simple to write on. This was just the black pen. So let's go ahead and get out the colored pens and see what these look like. Again, these are the friction pens. So let's go ahead and grab one green and one red just to show 2 other colors on the page. So how well does the red show up? Well, let's click it and find out. This is red. And the green pen, it is green. So we will take a picture of that at some point and we'll show it what it looks like on the app. Alright, next let's see how this all goes together with what comes with the packaging, and will it go inside the portfolio case to protect everything. It's pretty simple. Just open it up, take the pen, put it right inside the pen holder. Bam, there it is inside the pen holder. Take the notebook, open up to the last page. It is a nice hard piece of plastic that you can just slide right into the pocket, which is a pretty tight fit, so it will stay and it will not just slide around and fall out. And once you have that in there, you just continue sliding that in and fold it over. Now you have your book and your pen. You have a nice little case to bring it in. Just open it up, your pen's in there, your book, and still open it to whatever page you need, right in whatever page you have all your options, you have your pockets for whatever you'd like to put in there, and you actually have an extra pocket here on the side that's pretty large. It looks like you may even be able to fit your microfiber cloth inside the side pocket if you would like. As you can see, it started in, I could finish it in, not a problem. Put it in there with the plastic, and again, now you have the microfiber cloth with you. It can go wherever you need it to go, and everything still closes up fine, and it is nice and small. It's not very large. Alright, we're going to show how easy it is to record and take any notes that you have. Just going to open up somewhere in the notebook here. Just open it to a page with some notes. Here we go. And I'm going to take a red pen, and I'm going to write real big in here, red, just so we can see that there's some red. I'm going to grab the green. We're also going to do green. And then we're going to grab the black pen that it comes with, and we're going to write black. Now we're just going to let that dry for a few moments. Alright, I added some more down at the bottom here. We're going to see what this looks like when you scan it, making sure that you have proper lighting and no shadows, or as little shadows as possible. It scans it, as you can see, the red, green show up pretty well. The top of the red didn't show up well, but if you really look at the page, this was the first time using the pen and it didn't write as well as it could. But there you go, that's what it looks like in the app. Alright, now that I let it dry and I show what it looks like in the app, let's see what happens when you try to clean it. So I just got a little wet piece of paper, just water on it. Just going ahead and erasing all the information. And as you can see, it comes off pretty easily. Might need a little bit more water for the top, but even the colors come off pretty clean. And then go ahead and use the dry cloth. And the page is 100% clean.